In my last video, I showed you how to make a rose gold foil logo. But in this video, I'm going to show you what if you wanted to mix and match colors. So we're basically going to do the same thing, only it's a little bit different because we have to take out backgrounds and make things PNG transparent backgrounds. So I am in iPicky.com and I am going to click to create a design. And what I'm going to do right now is I'm going to use the same wreath that I used in the other video. I'm going to do basically the same design I did. I'm just going to do it in different colors, and I'm going to show you how we can do that. Okay, so we're going to click up here, and you just need to size this right now. It doesn't need to be any particular size. You can just make it sort of a square, and I'm just going to do 600 by 600. Don't forget, we can always change the resolution later for free in paint.net if need be. Okay, so I'm going to go ahead and pull over this wreath, and this is already a transparent background. Okay, so let's say that we want rose gold and purple. So let's say we're going to make the color of our wreath, we're going to make that purple. I'm actually going to go into my foil folder that I have all of my foil papers, foil digital papers. Okay, so let's say we're going to do these two colors right here, or this color and maybe one of the ones that I have over here. So I'm going to go ahead and upload this, and we're going to drag this over here, and we're going to completely cover the image. And we are going to click lighten. And I'll blow this up just so you can see it. Okay, I'm going to go ahead and save this image to my desktop. And what we need to do next is we need to take out the background. So we're going to go to LunaPic, and we're going to choose that file that we just saved, because what it did is it compressed it into a JPEG file. It basically flattened it. Okay, so with one click of a button, we take out the entire background, and we're going to click apply. Okay, now I'm going to save this image, save as a PNG, and it is now a transparent background. Okay. And I'm going to go ahead and close this photo. Okay. I'm going to go ahead and return to iPicky.com. And the reason that we took out the background on that is because we're going to have to cover the text on the inside, and it's just easier to do it that way so that nothing touches anything. Because if we put our text in and we try to cover, because you have to think also the middle of this was covered with that paper too, and it would have messed with the text, which is why we wanted to flatten it and take out the background. Okay, so I'm going to go ahead and click New. And I'm going to click Create. Okay, so now, excuse my voice, I am going to go ahead and upload the purple wreath that is in a PNG format. and it's transparent, and I'm going to drag it over here and we're going to make this bigger. Okay, now we're going to add our text, and I'm basically making the same thing I did yesterday, only I am doing it to show you how to do it in 2 different colors. Okay, so let's say that we were doing AC Designs, and that's not the name of my shop. I'm just doing that as an example. Okay. And you can size this however you like. Okay, now the trick here is to get the other color of foil over the top of this without touching this. And sometimes you might have to kind of even move this off for a little bit just to accomplish that. Okay, so I want to make sure it doesn't touch, and we can accomplish that. So I am going to kind of cover this and just make sure that I'm not touching any of the wreath. Okay, and I'm going to go ahead and I'm going to click lighten. Okay, and then now we need to cover the rest. And you can size this down. Okay, and I've got it, and it is not touching anything. And then there we go, lighten. And then there we go. So that is how you do something in 2 different colors, and you can even do this in different colors. So if you wanted the word designs to be even in a different color foil, you can do that as well. It's all up to you and however you want to create it. So I'm really just liking this. I just wonder what it would look like if we actually kind of tilted this some. Whenever I'm doing this, I'm taking the paper, because with the paper, it puts it behind the text when we do that. I mean, the possibilities are endless. It's however you want to design this. So, okay, so what we need to do next is we need to take out our background, because this would be a logo that we would drag over onto like our designs, for example. Okay, so I'm going to go ahead and click save, and once I hit save, it's going to turn it into a JPEG, and it's going to flatten all of these layers over here on this left-hand side. So we are going to save to my computer. And then we are going to go back to Lunapic. Or not that, I'm sorry. Okay, and we're going to open up what we just created. Okay, one click of a button, we are going to take out that background and click apply. And we now have a transparent background. Okay, so we are going to save this image, save as PNG, and it throws it down here bottom left hand corner. So we're going to open this up and we are going to save as. And then now we have it in a JPEG and we're going to save it in the PNG version. Okay. So with every YouTube video I do, I always make a thumbnail. So I'm actually going to go to my designer and I'm sorry, let me click editor. Discard design. Okay, we need a clean slate here. Okay, so a YouTube thumbnail is 1280 by 720, and we're going to click create. Now we are going to upload the PNG version of the two different colors that we just used. Okay, and I'm going to drag it over here, and you can tell there is no white background. It's all transparent. Okay, now the possibilities are endless with this, and if you do have any questions or comments, please do not hesitate to drop them in the comment section below. Also, if you are new to my channel, please hit the subscribe button and also that bell notification so you do not miss out on any future videos just like this one. I'm probably going to do a few more videos on logo designs because there's some really cool stuff you can do with watercolors and just making like a brush stroke and then adding text over the top of it. So I'm just kind of starting out with something simple and basic. Thanks for watching, and I hope everyone has a great day.